I'm gonna use this tool right here, magic wand. Select all of these. Oh, that's what I didn't get selected. Look at this. Slightly separated. Okay. We want this a darker green. So we turned it that color using the brush. What I did to get that color, I just sampled the original color and made it darker. So now we're gonna deselect this. That's changed. Now that we got those, you can select these, right click, similar, and then we want that white. Alright, now let's make a layer for the background so we can see if everything's all clean before you print it. Let's make it like a kind of like a light gray, darker a little bit. There you go. All done.